So here, solution of the finding the solution of the differential equation. If the differential equation is given, solution find out करना. Till now what we have learned, solution is given means whether it is a solution or not, we have checked it. And if from the solution we formed the differential equation. From the solution we formed the differential equation. But if the differential equation is given solution, वो find out करने के लिए different methods are there. One is variable separable method. Second is homogeneous, non-homogeneous, linear differential equations. Linear differential equation is nothing but a format will be there. dy by dx plus p of x into y is equals to q of x. Like that, if that format, if you observe that, yes, it is a linear differential equation. For that, you need to, that separate method is there. So now the method we are going to learn is variable separable method. Variable separable method is nothing but y, whatever y you are having, all that y variables to be taken into together and x variables to be taken into together. So variable separable, separate karna hai variables. So that is called variable separable method. Okay. The first question is given to you. So let us see here. dy by dx is equals to 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. So here, see, this is completely x. So dx you take to the left side, the right side. Is it visible to you? Dx को right side equals to 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x into dx. So now integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides of the equation. So इसको integrate करना है. So integration of dy is equals to integration of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x into dx. So integration of dy is nothing but 1 dy. 1 dy is nothing but y you are going to. Now integration, ये integration कैसे find out करते हैं? So trigonometric integration find out करने के लिए different methods we have learned in the 7th chapter. So different methods ये trigonometric formulas use करना है. 1 minus cos x can be written as 2 sin square x by 2 by ये 2 cos square x by 2 dx. इसको simplify करना है. So we are going to get tan square x by 2 dx. Tan square x by 2 can be written as secant square x by 2 minus 1 into dx. Secant square x by 2 का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? tan x by 2 by 1 by 2. So न्यूमरेटर में 2 आ जाएगा. Minus x plus c. So this is 1. So this is the solution of the differential equation. इसका solution ये है. If you want to check it, ये इसको derivative करके check कर लो, then automatically you are going to get this one. So this is the way to find out the variable separable. Variable separable method में different problems let us take into consider. So remaining problems, second problem is given to you, right hand side. Second problem में क्या दे दिया है? dy by dx is equals to under root of 4 minus y square. ये y वाला by dy के साथ होना. So ये x dx right side लेके जाओ dy. So do remember that always dy and dx to be in the numerator. Numerator में रहेगा. So remaining function can be wherever it be. से देखो ये dx numerator में जाना है. So अब derivative करना है. इसको derivative कर सकते हैं. a square minus x square formula. So like this separate करना है. This is called a variable separable method. Okay. So now in this different problem is little bit difficult. You may feel that fourth problem. Let us learn it. Okay. Fourth one. So the question is given to you, secant square x tan by dx. Secant square x tan by dx plus secant square by tan x dx. Secant square by tan x dy. This is equals to 0. Okay, now what to do here? We need to make all the x terms together, y terms together. First thing, all the x terms and dx to be in the numerator and dy to be in the numerator. So ये numerator में ही रहना है. So how it is possible? Let us take this completely to the right side. So secant square x tan y dx is equals to minus secant square y tan x dy. Now this इधर x है ना, dx है ना न्यूमरेटर में, x to be here all the x. So ये x को इधर लेके, ये tan y को उधर लेके. So ये dx न्यूमरेटर में है, इधर dy न्यूमरेटर में है. So both न्यूमरेटर में ही रहना है. That is the main thing you have to see. So this term you take here tan x here. So what you get here? Secant square x by tan x dx is equals to minus secant square y. ये इधर आ गया, so tan y इधर आ गया, tan y dy. Now again you transform to the right hand side, or you can keep it like that also. Now x and y together हो गया ना, okay? So now integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. See here, sir, if it is not possible like this, variable separable method is not applicable. So the problems which is can be done separate like this, that is only applicable here. That can be done here. So what you can here, integration of secant square x by tan x dx is equals to minus of integration of secant square by tan by dy. So you do remember that integration of f dash of x by f of x is equals to logarithm of, ये बहुत ज़्यादा places में use होता है. So you can write इसका derivative ऊपर है. So you can write here logarithm of tan x, logarithm of tan x plus is equals to, that can be written as logarithm of tan x or not, and right hand side can be written as logarithm of tan y. Can we write here minus,
yes sir,
logarithm of tan y plus c because constant to be taken into consider. Now here you can write here this as a logarithm of tan x. ये c constant can be taken in any way, as here logarithm is there. Simplification, this is here the solution complete हो गया, but still more simplify करने के लिए here logarithm is there. So constant can also be taken as a log c. Can we take the constant as a log c? Yes, you can take the constant as a log. Now here logarithm of a minus logarithm of b means you can write it as a log c by tan y. Log c by tan y. Both sides logarithm is there. Therefore, you can write tan x is equals to c by tan y. The solution will become tan y को इधर लेके जाओ. So tan x tan y is equals to c. This is the solution of this given differential equation. You may get doubt, sir. In case you may get doubt, sorry, that sir, in case if I leave the solution here by taking not instead of this one c, is it wrong? It's not wrong, but here you need to better you simplify it. Simplify करके करना अच्छा है. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Okay, fifth problem is directly separate करके ही है, उसमें कुछ दिक्कत नहीं है आपको. And sixth problem also you can do it. It's not very difficult to you. Even seventh also you can do. Let us go for the different problems which are given to you in different way. Ninth problem also you can do it. 10th one also same like this only. Variable separable different same way नहीं दिया है, पूरा मिक्स करके दे दिया है, but in the same way you have to separate it. पूरा right side लेके जाओ, एक term को two terms whenever it is given, the terms which are x terms are all together, y terms are all together, and do remember that कैसे लेके जाना है सर. ये sin y, ये secant square y को इधर लेके आया तो प्रॉब्लम होगा. dx is in the numerator, so wherever dx is there, their x terms should be there. Wherever dx is there, their x terms should be there. So this problem you can do it. Even 11th problem, let us see here. 11th is little bit different. This 11th problem is lengthy है, but integration part I think maybe लेंथी होगा, सो दैट आई विल नॉट एक्सप्लेन टू यू कैन डू इट। इंटीग्रेशन सारा पता चलना है आपको, ओके?
यस सर।
So 11th problem, see, integration means integration methods, different methods. If you know that, then you will be able to do it. Otherwise, you cannot do it. So the question is given x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. X cube plus x square plus x plus 1 dy by dx is equals to 2x square plus x. See here, 2x square plus x है ना, and here this is given when y is equals to 1. Y is equals to 1 when x is equals to 0. So the question is given to you this one only, na? Isn't it?
Yes sir.
Y is equals to 1 and x is equals to. So here what to do here? First you take all the variable separable method, apply karo. Variable separable method means, see here, what I told you here, most of the students will get confused. ये इधर लेके आ रहा है, मैं ये इधर लेके आ रहा है. I told you dx and dy should be in the numerator. dy here numerator में, ये dx उधर जाना है. So ये term इधर आना है. So what I will do here, dy is equals to 2x square plus x by x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 and dx also here. Okay. Now integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. So integration of dy is equals to integration of 2x square plus x by x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 dx. This is why you are going to get. Then how do we find out the integration of this one? Integration by, whenever this model question is given to you, 2x square plus x by x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. First, is it possible to you to factorize this one? You check it. उसको factorize कर सकते हैं. इसमें -1 is the solution. So x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 में -1 substitute कर ले तो 0 आ जाएगा. So -1 substitute कर ले तो 0 आ जाएगा. तो by the division करना है. So other factor to find out. So synthetic division method बोलते हैं इसको. तो इसमें क्या करना है synthetic division method में? Just coefficient to be taken into consideration. So ये 0 ले रहा है. इधर 1 -1 0 0 into -1 0. Sorry. 0 -1 0 इधर 0 आ जाएगा. 1 into -1 ये 0. Did you understand this one? What I said? What I did? Sandam. Division I am doing. First इसको factorize करना. Factorization method. Cubic polynomial factorization in 9th class you learn. First क्या है? Randomly trial and error method में इसमें कुछ substitute करना है. So that's why -1 substitute कर लिया मैंने. -1 substitute कर ले तो 0 आ गया. So -1 substitute कर ले तो 0 आ गया तो x plus 1 is a factor. Factor theorem use कर लिया. Factor theorem. So now other factor to find out, you have to divide it. So division synthetic division method में ये constant है, x coefficient है, x square coefficient है. So x plus 1 is a one factor and here x square plus 1 is the other factor. So you can write this as a 2x square plus x by x plus 1 into x square plus 1. So now here denominator, whenever you are observe, partial fractions can be taken into consideration. Partial fractions में क्या करना है? ये whatever the term is given to you, square, this cannot be factorized. So single है. ये by x plus 1 consider करना है plus bx plus c by x square plus 1 consider करना है. So like this partial fraction problem only, and you have to proceed it. Find the solution at last. Can you find out? Either ABC values find out करना है. This is partial fractions में compare करना है and ABC values find out करना है. Problem is lengthy है but model is same. After that y is equals to one solution you are going to get in terms of logarithms. Usually whenever you take into consider partial fractions apply कर दिया तो logarithm compulsory include हो जाएगा. Either logarithm will be there, sin inverse होगा, नहीं हो तो tan inverse होगा. And after getting the solution, constant c आ जाएगा in last plus c. And in this solution, you need to substitute y is equals to 1 when x is equals to 0. So y is equals to 1. Y is equals to 1 substitute करना है, इसमें x value 0 substitute करना है, so that you will find out the constant c. C constant find out कर सकते. Problem is lengthy, it consumes a more time and you have to try it. I have given a hint to you in the what way you need to solve it. Okay, can you do it?
Okay, sir.
Yes, this is a method I told you in the what way you need to do. So like that, one problem will be there. Partial fractions can be applied. Sometimes integration by parts can be applied. Sometimes trigonometric functions can be applied. Substitution method can be applied. And in all these, mostly, do remember, always I am reminding you, integration of f dash x by f of x dx is equals to logarithm of f of x plus c. This one will be useful to you. Integration of f dash x by under root of a बहुत ज़्यादा use हो रहा है. dx is equals to what do you get? 2 root f of x. ये दोनों फॉर्म्स बहुत ज़्यादा यूज हो जाते हैं. Previously also I told you. In the middle you are going to get it. So you can use them directly use कर सकते हैं. It's not a very difficult to you. Okay. So let us go for the next question. And 15th, yes, 15th can be done. Substitution. Okay, 15th problem explain करता हूँ. So what is the question given? Find the equation of the curve passing through the point. Equation of the curve passing through the point 0, 0. So equation of the curve passing through the, and differential equation is given. Y dash is equals to e power x sin x. Y dash is equals to e power x sin x. This is a differential equation is given here. And find the equation of the curve passing through this point and whose differential equation. उस equation का differential equation ये होना है. That means solution हमें find out करना है. And passing through the point 0, 0 is nothing but constant value. You are not supposed to, particular solution you need to find out here. You are not supposed to find out the general solution. You need to find out the particular solution in this case. Okay. So now here, what to do here? Y dash is equals to whatever it is given. This is y dash can be written as dy by dx is equals to e power x sin x. So dx इधर ले लो. dy is equals to e power x sin x into dx. So now what? Integrating on both sides. Integration of dy is equals to integration of e power x sin x dx. Integration of e power x sin x dx separately find out करो. वो थोड़ा length हो जाते हैं. So using the Euler formula by parts use करना है. So separately if you want you can do it. Now let I is equals to integration of e power x sin x. ये already find out कर लिया है. E power ax into I told you integration of e power ax to sin bx is equals to e power ax by a square plus b square into whatever the term a sin bx minus b cos bx you are minus we are going to get. So this is integrate कर लिया है. So you by integration by parts you use करना. Integration by parts use कर लिया तो you are going to get e power x by 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2 a sin bx minus b cos x. Yes. So this you are going to get. ये separately find out करो. So what do you get here? Y is equals to इसका integration क्या है? E power x by 2 into sin x minus cos x plus c. And it is given that it is passing through the point. It is this curve is passing through 0, 0. Passing through 0, 0 is nothing but 0 इधर e power 0 by 2 sin 0 value 0 cos 0 value 1 plus c. Now from this you are going to get the c value. E power 0 value is also 1. So you are going to get 1 by 2. ये minus 1 by 2. So 0 is equals to minus 1 by 2 plus c. This implies c is equals to plus 1 by 2 you are going to get. c is equals to plus 1 by 2. So c is equals to plus 1 by 2 is nothing but इसमें this is solution ना, इधर c का place में plus 1 by 2 we have to write ये c place में. So y is equals to e power x by 2 of sin x minus cos x plus minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so what do you get here? ये 2 उधर लेके जा सकते हैं. So 2y is equals to e power x into sin x minus cos x minus 1. This is the particular solution of the given differential equation. So like the different situations are given to you. Different situations whenever it is given to you, you can find out. Okay? समझ में आया? Passing through the point and 17th question देखो. 17th question थोड़ा सा question में form करना different है. 17th question whenever you see that the question is given to you, find the equation of the curve passing through the point 0, minus 2. Given that at any point x, y on the curve, the product of the slope of the tangent to the any curve will be written as dy by dx. If y is equals to f of x is a curve, dy by dx is the slope of the curve at a particular point. Slope of the curve. So, and here it is given that product of the slope of the tangent. Slope of the curve nahi, slope of the tangent of the curve. So, slope of the tangent is will be given by dy by dx. Product of this one and y coordinate of the point. Y coordinate of the point is equals to the x coordinate. So differential equation is not given to you there, but indirectly it is directly not given. In a sentence formation it is given to you. So this is a differential equation. इसमें वेरिएबल सेपरेट करना तो इजी है. देखो y इधर ही लग रहा है. Y dy is equals to x dx. Integrating on both sides. Y square by 2 x square by 2 plus c हो जाए. लास्ट में 0, -2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. लास्ट में 0, -2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. और कुछ नहीं है. सिंपल प्रॉब्लम है. But forming the differential equation is only the different thing. Even 18th problem also in the same way. Twice it is given to you. Here 18th problem में क्या दे दिया है? Slope of the tangent. When the 2 points are given, how do you find out the slope? x1 y1 is one point and x2 y2 is the other point. What is the slope of the line joining these 2 points? Slope of the line joining the 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2. y2 slope m is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Either 2 points are given to you, -4, -3, -2, -1. And the question is given to you, the slope of the tangent is twice the slope of the line segment joining the point of contact to the point this one. So here the point of contact is x, y considered. Okay, see, because at any point x, y the curve, at any point x, y curve, so this is point of contact, and -4, -3 is the point. 2 points are taken like this, and slope find out. That slope is twice the slope of the tangent. Means slope of the tangent is dy by dx. Dy by dx is equals to 2 into y plus 3 by x plus 4. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 यूज कर लिया तो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन आ जाएगा. सो दैट डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन यू नीड टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. ओके, समझ में आ रहा है ना? सो लाइक दिस यू कैन सॉल्व द रिमेनिंग ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स. वेरिएबल सेपरेबल मेथड इज वेरी सिंपल. होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इज प्रॉब्लम्स आर आल्सो सिंपल बट लेंथी, मोर लेंथी है प्रॉब्लम्स. Okay, so method and homogeneous and linear differential equations problems we will discuss in the next class. Okay, समझ में आया ना?